Hello, welcome to Goutam Graphics. Today I will show you the details of Pen Tool panel. So let's start. Let's start with Pen Tool. We just make a video camera icon with this tool. I just normally show you just in using a pen tool. You can draw your own art of this tool. Our next topic, add anchor point tool. Select rounded rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. Fill it with black. Select direct selection tool. Drag this point. Choose Add Anchor Point tool from Pen Tool panel. Add 2 node point to this line. Add another node point to center. Select Direct Selection tool. Hold Shift and drag it down. Select Text tool. I just type thanks to all. You can type your own topic. Draw another rectangle. Add anchor point to this place. I just manage the positions. Go to Edit Preference, then General. Up the keyboard increment up to maximum value. Press OK. Select this area. Press the down arrow key from keyboard. Do same to this anchor point. Drag the ruler fitted to the center. Select this point. Drag the anchor point towards middle. Do same thing of this anchor point. Then just manage it properly. Draw a circle. Put the diamond color white. Bring it front. I just give name diamond. Next topic, delete anchor point tool. Let's duplicate this icon. Let's remove this section with delete anchor point tool. Select delete anchor point tool. Click those point for reset the object. Let's do something to this diamond. Choose the diamond, fill with black. Resize it. Select delete anchor point tool. Delete those point. Select direct selection tool to manage this. Draw a rectangle. Fill it with black. Draw a line. Fill it white. Drag it center. Up the stroke value. Press Alt to duplicate. Select Add Anchor Point tool. Add point to this line. Select Delete Anchor Point tool. Delete this point. Select 3 stroke. Up the sizes. Select Pen tool to draw this. Next topic, Anchor Point tool. Draw a rectangle, fill with black. Choose Add Anchor Point tool. Add point to this line. Delete those point with Delete Anchor Point tool. Select Anchor Point tool. Release the line from this point. Select Direct Selection tool to do this. Do same thing on this point. I just make the protective shield icon. Just enjoy to this art. If you get some knowledge from my video. So keep share your comment. And give a like. And subscribe. See you soon for next video. Thank you.